So rich people don't budget harder, they just see their money clearly. AI does that for free. Most people avoid the numbers because looking hurts, so they guess. And guessing keeps you broke and anxious at the same time. I stopped guessing. I have an AI that watches the flow, not a bank app full of charts I ignore, a partner I can ask in plain words. Where did it go this month? And what's the one change that moves the needle? It answers no shame, no spreadsheet, no lecture. Money's a tool, a good servant and a terrible master. You can't manage what you refuse to look at. The people who get ahead aren't smarter, they just stop flinching at the truth. Let the machine hold the truth. You make the decisions. I'll show you how to set up your money's view in a weekend.